With the rise of the full moon combined with the energy of the lunar eclipse, the entire universe experienced a transformational shift with a powerful energy that will last for days to come. In fact, astrologers and spiritual seekers alike have observed that this combination of celestial events has not been seen with such intensity for many years. The full moon illuminates our inner world, shedding light on our deepest desires, emotions, and fears, while the eclipse brings an opportunity for deep introspection and transformation. Together, they create a cosmic dance that can help us connect more closely with our true purpose, providing insights and breakthroughs that can guide us on our path. But at the same time, a solar flare is headed toward Earth, whose energy we may feel tonight. Solar flares, which are of energy from the sun, often send waves of charged particles toward Earth, affecting not only our planet's magnetic field, but also our own personal energy fields. When a solar flare combines with the energy of a full moon and a lunar eclipse, it creates a powerful cocktail of cosmic energy. Many people may experience intense emotions, vivid dreams, or a sense of restlessness as this energy continues to intensify. Astrologers are surprised by the intensity of these back-to-back events. It's almost as if the universe is ringing the bells, signaling that now is a time for intense spiritual growth and transformation. This is a moment to pay attention, tune into the energies around us, and keep ourselves open to the changes that are unfolding. The universe is speaking to us through these cosmic events, guiding us towards higher levels of consciousness and understanding. So are you ready to enter the powerful cocktail of the universe's energy? Then write in the comments, "I am ready to navigate the flow of the energy of the universe." In this video, we will dive deep into how we can navigate the energy of a solar flare to fulfill our higher purpose, as well as how we can use this energy to connect to a higher level. This video is divided into 5 parts. The last part is the most important for you, which will change the direction of your consciousness. Before that, please subscribe to the channel. Cosmic Energy Surge Gateway to Higher Consciousness. The surge of cosmic energy from solar flares is more than just a spectacular astronomical event. It is the key to awakening higher consciousness in humanity. When solar flares erupt from the sun, a burst of char and lunar eclipse, it creates a powerful wave of cosmic energy. When these flares release charged particles, they not only travel through space, they also act as carriers of higher frequencies. These frequencies resonate with the human energy field, connecting particularly well with those who are open to them as the waves of energy hit the Earth's atmosphere. They penetrate our being, affecting the way we think, feel, and perceive reality. This energy is like a key unlocking new levels of conscious intuition, becomes more than just a fleeting feeling. It transforms into a guiding force, directing us toward our higher purpose along with heightened intuition. These cosmic surges also heighten our awareness. It's as if the boundaries between the self and the universe are blurred. You begin to feel a stronger connection with everything around you, whether it's people, nature, or even the invisible forces that guide us. This sense of interconnection is a vital part of raising consciousness tour. This process often begins with an inner stirring, a call to explore the depths of our soul and recognize the immense power and light that exists within each of us. It is a time of deep reflection where we are encouraged to look beyond the surface and embrace the infinite potential that exists within ourselves. This particular solar flare is unlike any that has come before it. Scientists have predicted that it will dwarf all previous flames in both size and intensity. While its physical moon and lunar eclipse, the resulting cosmic blend, is truly extraordinary. These celestial events don't just affect the sky, they also affect us on a deeply personal level. If you're feeling more emotionally or physically sensitive during this time, you're not alone. The energy waves emitted by solar flares are known to stir things up inside of us, leading to increased sensitivity. Emotionally and physically, add the energies of a full moon and lunar eclipse, and you get an intense energetic and that requires energy. It's also not uncommon to get headaches these days. The changes in energy in your body and environment can create pressure in your head, which can make you feel like you're under a lot of mental stress. Emotionally, the effects can be even more pronounced. Full moons, especially during eclipses, often bring old emotions to the surface. You may find yourself feeling more anxious, irritable, or overwhelmed. This is nothing to be alarmed about. It's simply your body and spirit. If you've tapped into a new source of vitality, that's because a solar flare combined with a full moon and eclipse is not only an overload of energy, it's also an opportunity for alignment. If you're in sync with these energies, you may feel a surge of creativity or suddenly see solutions to problems that have been lingering for a long time. Insights and breakthroughs can occur at this time as your higher self, ALLS, with cosmic frequencies, providing a deeper understanding of your path and walking barefoot on grass or spending time in nature, can make a significant difference. Activating dormant DNA codes. Activating dormant DNA codes during a powerful cosmic event such as a solar flare, full moon, and lunar eclipse is an extraordinary opportunity for spiritual growth. At the core of this event lies the idea that as human beings we have untapped potential within us, coded in our DNA. Just as we grow, change, and evolve physically, our DNA also contains spiritual and energetic codes. Lunar eclipses are creating a unique window of opportunity to accelerate at this process. Solar flares carry with them powerful streams of energy known as light codes, which interact with the Earth's magnetic field, and by extension our bodies and consciousness. These light codes are energetic packets of information that can upgrade our DNA awakening. These long dormant codes. This particular solar flare is filled with a new intensity, specifically targeting these dormant areas of our DNA. Many ANC ice changes on many levels physically. You may experience a shift in energy levels as your body adjusts to the new frequencies being downloaded. You may feel a surge in vitality or temporary fatigue as you integrate these high-frequency energies into your system. Emotional ally. And mentally, these activations can clear old patterns of fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs, creating a more spacious and open state of mind. You may feel more in tune with your intuition, noticing an increased sense of CLS, having a human experience. This activation can open you up to higher abilities such as heightened intuition, greater empathy, or even psychic abilities. It is important to approach this time with an open heart and mind. The energies surrounding solar flares, full moons, and lunar eclipses are powerful and transformational. The more open you are to receiving these light codes, the more profound your experience can be. Meditation, grounding practices, and spending time in nature can help you tune in your highest potential to embody the divine light within you and to share that light with the world. The effects of the solar flare on 5D consciousness. The solar flare occurring tonight alongside the full moon and lunar eclipse is far from an ordinary astronomical event. It is a powerful cosmic moment where energies converge in a way that opens a gateway into a higher state of consciousness, known as 5D. What makes this solar flare different is how it interacts with the energies of the moon. Connected, there is no longer a sense of separateness. Instead, we see how every thought, action, and intention impacts the collective whole. This understanding inspires us to act in ways that honor the interconnectedness of all life. The energies being released during this solar flare tonight will play a major role in breaking down old structures and paradigms that are based on fear, control, and separation. These structures have defined much of the 3D world, shaping how we live, think, and interact with more, or aligned with your purpose, or that you are experiencing deep inner shifts. Tonight's energies will amplify these experiences. You may have moments of intense clarity where everything makes sense, as if puzzle pieces are falling into place. During these moments, you may feel a strong connection to your higher self, the part of you that is always wise and in harmony with the universe. One of the most profound effects of this solar flare will be a sense of peace unlike anything you have feel purpose. This is not something you need to force or figure out. It's something that will naturally unfold as you let go of resistance. Often we resist change because it feels uncomfortable or unknown. But this shift into 5D consciousness is all about embracing the unknown. It's about trusting that the universe has your back, even if you don't fully understand what's happening in the moment. The key to navigating this transition is to let go of the need to control in 3D. We're conditioned to Bell D. This goes beyond just an intellectual understanding. It's something you'll begin to feel in your body and soul. As you move deeper into 5D, you'll notice that your thoughts, actions, and intentions have a ripple effect on the world around you. You'll become more mindful of what you're putting out into the universe because you'll understand that it comes back to you. This understanding brings a sense of responsibility, but it also brings a sense of empowerment. You'll start to see that you owing these old energies to be released, you're making room for something new and much more aligned with your true self. In many ways, the shift into 5D is a change of heart. It's a movement from living in the mind where we overthink, analyze, and try to control into living from the heart where we trust, feel, and flow. The heart is the center of 5D consciousness because it's the space where we remember who we truly are. It's where we remember that we are infinite beings of love and light. Here to the beautiful journey of 5D consciousness catalyst for global awakening. The energy from this solar flare represents a profound shift that will catalyze a global awakening, shaking the very foundations of how we perceive the world, ourselves, and our collective existence for many years. Humanity has been standing on the edge of a new era of consciousness, waiting for the right moment to fully face this transformation now. As this powerful energy moves through the universe, it acts as awaken. The collective vibration of the planet will rise, creating a ripple effect that touches every corner of the earth. This isn't just a small shift, it's a monumental leap in consciousness, a moment that will be remembered as a turning point in human history. The energy from the solar flare can be seen as a cosmic flame igniting within each person, a deep desire to align with their soul's purpose. We are being called to step into our highest potential, to live from a place of truth and integrity AI once took for granted. This awakening will bring a deep sense of clarity and truth, if illuminating the false narratives and outdated beliefs that have kept humanity asleep for so long. People will begin to seek answers not from external sources, but from within. This is a time of profound introspection and self-discovery. The flame of awakening will light the way for individuals to remember their connection to the universe, to the divine, and to each other. This period of awakening is not witty in a world of higher frequencies, where love, compassion, and unity are the dominant forces as more people awaken and remember their divine origins. The collective consciousness will begin to shift, the energy of the planet will continue to rise, and we will start to see tangible changes in the way we live, interact, and co-create our reality. This isn't just a spiritual shift, it's a transformation that will impact every aspect of life. Old systems that no longer serve humanity's highest good. Why the divine nature of all beings affects on Earth's magnetic field. The Earth's magnetic field plays a vital role in protecting our planet from harmful solar radiation and cosmic particles. It acts like a shield, constantly interacting with the solar winds that come from the sun. However, when a solar flare occurs, a powerful blast of radiation from the sun, it can upset this delicate balance, causing what we know as a geomagnetic storm. These storms have the potential to affect a wide variety of usation. For many, this process can feel intense emotionally, mentally, and even physically, as we are forced to let go of what we are holding on to. Also, these solar flares bring in new waves of high vibrational light which serve to uplift our energetic bodies. This light is not only metaphorical, but is also deeply connected to the changes taking place within our DNA, as the Earth's magnetic field responds to the solar flare. It creates an opportunity for what is called a global energy reset, this Rio, that we can clear it and make room for something better. This is also a time when many people experience heightened intuition, vivid dreams, or deep spiritual insights as higher vibrational energies become more accessible. Geomagnetic storms also affect the Earth itself. Our planet is a living being, and just as we experience shifts in energy, so does the Earth. Solar flares can catalyze weather changes, seismic activity, and even auroras, those beautiful lights in the sky that are visible close. Physical shifts, but also deep spiritual and energetic ones. These cosmic events can affect our energy bodies, emotional states, and even our thought patterns. By consciously working with this potent energy, you can ignite personal transformation in ways that can bring clarity, healing, and a deeper connection to your higher self. The energy of solar flares is unique because it amplifies the natural frequencies around us. As the flare's energy moves through space and reaches Earth, it stirs 5 steps in harnessing. This energy is becoming aware of its potential. When you understand that this energy is not just a random burst from the sun, but a force that can be used for transformation, you open yourself up to its possibilities, Rather than feeling overwhelmed by any energetic shifts or emotions that may arise, you can welcome them as part of the process of clearing old energies to make space for new ones. This process of clearing is crucial in transformation, as